How to fix camera not working issue in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, remove the camera lens protector. If you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove it. After removing camera lens protector, then clean camera with soft tissue or cloth, and your camera will be work properly. And it will not be fixed, then open settings, click on general and open software update, and here you can see your latest iOS version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it latest iOS version. After updating latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings again, go in general and scroll down last and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and click on again reset and reset all settings. Here you can enter your passcode to reset all the settings, and here you confirm to reset all the settings, and it will be destroy all the settings but never destroy another data like photos, videos, and other data. It will only reset all the iPhone settings. After resetting the iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.